guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. I'm Psyche, and our topic for today is about Adidas logos. So we're gonna discuss about this, and this. So kung Adidas fans ka, para sa'yo to. At sa magiging bagong fan ng brand na to, para sa'yo to. So unahin natin yung logo na to. Performance logo. So, ano nga ba ang meaning ng logo na to? So, it's called performance, which is nandun yung sports, like basketball, football, golf, tennis, sports, like running, we have training, yoga, pilates. So, kung naghahanap ka ng damit or gear mo for your training and sports, hanapin mo itong logo na to kasi doon ka makahanap ng mga apparel, gears na gusto mo for performance. Kasi itong ang nakakaganda or nakakaiba dito sa logo na to is nandito yung mga damit na may with technology, with support, like example for running. So yung mga sapatos talaga dito is kung gusto mo pang running talaga for marathon, may specific tayong sapatos for running. Kung gusto mo naman ng training, meron tayong sapatos na talaga pang training. Like, meron din tayong pang weightlifting. Kasi yung running shoe, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-weightlifting kasi may specific silang technology na kailangan sa sports or sa training mo na ginagawa. So, kung performance training yung hinahanap mo, hanapin mo yung logo na to. Our next logo is Adidas Sportswear. Born from sport and worn for style. So, ang nakakaiba naman ito is, ang design niya is like inspired by performance outfit. Pero, pwede mo siyang gamitin into lifestyle, like daily basis. Like example, kita nyo yung mga tracksuit. Tracksuit makikita nyo minsan is for running, track field, yeah. So, like football jersey. So, dinerive nila into sportswear. So, you can wear the, like example, jersey for football. Pwede mo siyang gamitin into lifestyle kasi hindi na siya, wala na siyang technology na same as technology ng shirt ng football. Kasi kung bibilhin nyo yung football na jersey from performance, it's very expensive because there is technology like aero ready, heat ready, wind ready. Pero pag binili na siya sa sportswear, iba na yung technology niyan. Wala na siyang technology na nagbibigay comfort, same as from the performance. So, ano na lang siya, nangyayari is, nagiging sportswear siya kasi inspired from sports, but you can wear it as a lifestyle. Pwede mong pang party, pwede mong pang daily use, kahit hindi ka nagsa-sports. So, same as like sportswear shoes. Example, Ultra Boost. Ultra Boost is for running. But we have also Ultra Boost na sportswear na inspired from running. Na hindi mo siya pwedeng igamit for marathon, hindi mo siya pwedeng igamit for like, for race or running. But you can wear it as a lifestyle, like daily walk, punta ka ng mall, but you cannot use it from for running or training kasi iba na yung technology niya. So, yun naman yung nakaiba sa sportswear. So, ang sportswear is more cheaper than the performance. Kasi as I said kanina, medyo mahal talaga ang performance kasi nga dahil sa technology ng damit or apparel or sa shoes niya. Kasi nga, as I said, sa technology. So, sa sportswear naman, the lesson, the technology, but it's just inspired from the performance. So, our next logo is my favorite, which is Adidas Originals. So, it was inspired also from sports, but worn on the street. So, dito sa Originals, dito mo makikita yung mga collaboration. Dito mo makikita din yung mga, like collaboration. Like example, we have Beyonce, we have Kanye West, we have Wales Bonner, we have Pharrell Williams. So, it's streetwears, kumbaga. We have streetwears of casual, we have lifestyle, pang party. So, ito yung makikita nyong logo. It's Adidas Original. At kung may Samba ka na which is very famous ngayon, belong po siya sa Adidas Original. So, Samba was a football shoe before. So, it was 1950s, 1949, Samba released as a training shoe. I mean for football, indoor football. And then, like, time passed by years because Adidas is always into innovation. So, you cannot use it as a football shoe because it's just inspired. So, ngayon, wala na siyang makikitang mga spike, wala na siyang technology, same as the technology before for the old Samba. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin na, what they call this for football shoe kasi baka magka-injury ka. So, yun po yung advantage pag alam mo yung kaibahan ng mga logos na to. So, we have performance, built for sport, and worn for sports. And we have the Adidas Sportswear, born from sports but worn for style. Then we have Adidas Originals, inspired by sport, and wear for streetwear. So, alam mo na. So, guys, para magpatuloy pa to, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, click mo lang tong button na to and also hit the notification bell. So, in case I don't know if I'll be inspired, I'm gonna make a video again. Mabuhay!